Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the upper function in Python. This powerful built-in string method allows you to easily convert all cased characters within any string to their uppercase equivalents. It's important to remember that upper does not alter your original string. Instead, it generates and returns an entirely new string with the uppercase transformation applied. This immutability is a key characteristic of string operations in Python, ensuring your original data remains untouched. We will explore its straightforward application and practical benefits. Using the upper method is incredibly simple. You just call it directly on any string, whether it's a literal string like hello world or a variable holding string data. For instance, if you have the string Python programming, applying upper to it will yield Python programming. Notice that any characters that are not letters, such as numbers, spaces, or symbols, will remain completely unchanged in the output. This makes it very predictable and easy to integrate into your code for consistent casing. The upper function has numerous practical applications in your Python projects. One common use is standardizing user input, allowing you to perform case-insensitive comparisons. For example, if a user types quit or quit, converting their input to uppercase ensures your program recognizes it consistently. It's also excellent for formatting text, like converting titles or headings to all capital letters for visual emphasis. Furthermore, it helps prepare data for storage or processing, ensuring uniformity across your datasets. When working with upper, there are a few important considerations to keep in mind. Since it returns a new string, always remember to assign the result to a variable if you intend to use the uppercase version later in your code. Attempting to use upper on non-string data types, such as numbers or lists, will result in a type error, so ensure your input is always a string. For more aggressive, locale-independent casing, especially when dealing with international characters, consider exploring the casefold method, which can be even more comprehensive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.